Hello everyone, in this short tutorial we want to show you how to set cost settings in HailMaster Plus application. In top right corner you can select settings and pick repair cost. You can see all zones of the car and you can pick each of the zone and enter the price for each dent size range. Also you can copy cost settings from other segments just by selecting segment which you want to copy from. Below you can select the country. Also you can select the currency of this country. You can easily change or add additional cost adjustments for assessment. Also, you can add additional notes for this damage assessment. Thank you for watching our tutorials. I hope you found this information useful for you. You can easily download this application for free from App Store. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.